The MIUI interface from Xiaomi is one of the most popular and highly customizable Android skins available today. Today, you will learn several Xiaomi 12x tips and tricks in this video that will enable you to deactivate adverts or obtain updates more quickly, giving you more control over your smartphone. Number 10. Show a battery percentage. On the Xiaomi 12x, go to the Settings menu, touch on Notifications and the status bar, scroll down and turn on Battery Percentage to display the percentage of the battery's remaining charge. When you have finished doing so, the percentage of the battery's remaining charge will be shown in the status bar. Number 9. Changing font style and size. Select your favorite font type by going to Settings, tapping on Display and Brightness, scrolling down, and hitting on Font. You may alter the font size to small, default, medium, large, or extra large by returning to Display and Brightness, scrolling down, and tapping on Font Size.
Got it.
Number 8. Enabling Auto Call Answer. Touch on the phone icon, then tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Press on Settings, tap on Calling Accounts, tap on Auto Answer. Then activate Auto Answer to have the phone automatically answer calls while connected to an earphone or Bluetooth device. Additionally, you may delay the auto response by 3, 5, or 10 seconds. This method may come in handy when you are least expecting it to do so. In the event that your hands are wet and you are unable to answer a phone call, for example, this tip will assist you in resolving that issue. Also, if you want to automatically get notified when we upload more tips and tricks videos, subscribe to this channel with notifications. Number 7. Watching YouTube videos with the lock screen. Google purposefully forbids you from viewing videos when the lock screen is active on your Android smartphone to push you to sign up for their YouTube Premium membership.
That sucks.
There are various instructions and tutorials online to stop this kind of digital blackmail, but MIUI provides a partial, mostly native answer. While your smartphone is locked, you may open videos using the Video Toolbox menu, and the playing won't halt. To do this, go to Settings, then Special Features. After that, go to Video Toolbox and enable the function. Still, in Video Toolboxing, click to Manage Video Apps and activate the YouTube slider. Launch YouTube, then tap the transparent bar on the left or right side of the screen. Swipe to the left on the first line of the Video Toolbox menu. Finally, with the screen turned off, press Play Video Sound. Isn't this amazing? Wait till we show you how to deactivate the most irritating and interruptive thing while doing something like playing a game or watching a video. It's none other than ads. Number 6. Keeping data or photos safe. You will need to go to Settings, scroll down, and then touch on Fingerprint, Face, and Password to protect any images or data you have stored. To protect your files and documents, choose the Private Safe option and enter a password of your choosing. Number 5. Stopping app notifications. Navigate to the Settings menu, pick the Notifications and Status Bar option, and then select the Manage Notifications option. Finally, select the applications for which you do not like to get notifications.
Easy peasy, right?
Number 4. Setting automatic turn power on and off. You may now adjust the automatic switch off and power on times by going to Settings, tapping the Convenience Tools icon, scrolling down, and then tapping the automatic on-off option. Number 3. Disabling ads in MIUI. Is there anything more infuriating than having to wait to skip an ad?
I don't think so.
If you believe planks slow down time, try waiting to skip an ad amid anything. To eliminate all advertisements on MIUI, you must go through several procedures, and listing them all here would take a whole essay. Fortunately, there is a guide below that explains how to accomplish it. But you may start with the most crucial one right away, turning off the MIUI System Ads or MSA application. Go to Settings then. After that, choose Security and Passwords. Remove the MSA slider from the Authorization and Revocation section. Wait 10 seconds, then tap the Revoke button to confirm. Number 2. Enabling Double to turn on the screen. Navigate to the Settings menu, tap on Convenience Tools, touch on Gestures and Motions, tap on Screen Off Gestures, and then tap the checkbox next to Enable Screen Off Gestures. Now activate the double tap gesture to switch the screen on and off. Number 1. Enabling Sunlight Mode. The MIUI operating system has a sunlight setting for those who do not utilize adaptive brightness but still want their screen to be readable outside. The intention is to increase the brightness automatically as soon as you leave your house. In essence, the only time the brightness varies is when you step outdoors in the sun. For the remainder of the period, it will stay at the level you've chosen. Go to Settings to get started. Next, select Brightness Level from the screen menu. Finally, move the slider to the sunlight position. Last but not least, not all Xiaomi devices have access to the same set of hints and secrets. It may be time to update to MIUI 13 if your mobile device doesn't already have any of these features. Watch our video on MIUI 13 update compatible devices with Android 12 if you want to determine whether or not your phone is compatible with the update.